Stop what you're doing right now, Zone 7 gardeners. June is literally knocking at your garden gate, and what you plant in the next few days could make or break your entire growing season. I'm not exaggerating. One wrong planting decision now could leave you with a garden full of struggling plants, pest infestations, and disappointing harvests. But here's the exciting part. Get it right, and you'll be harvesting baskets overflowing with fresh veggies while your neighbors are still waiting for their first tomatoes to ripen. I'm about to reveal the 5 superstar vegetables that absolutely thrive when planted in June. 3 gorgeous flowers that'll explode with color in just weeks. And the one plant that seems like a good idea but will completely ruin your summer garden. This isn't just planting advice, this is your cheat sheet for garden success. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started, because every day you wait is a day of lost harvest potential. June in Zone 7 isn't just another month, it's your secret weapon for garden success. Here's why. The soil has finally warmed up to that sweet spot where seeds germinate almost overnight. We're talking perfect 70-80 F soil temperatures that make plants jump out of the ground. But wait, there's more magic happening. Those long June days give your plants a solid 14+ hours of sunlight, nature's perfect growth booster. Consistent warm nights mean no more shocking temperature drops that stunt growth. Early summer rains provide natural irrigation right when plants need it most. Here's what this means for you. Plants established in June develop incredibly strong root systems before the brutal July heat hits. They'll be tough enough to handle summer stress while still giving you harvests weeks earlier than late plantings. And here's the kicker. This is your last chance to plant certain crops before it's too late. Miss this window and you'll be stuck waiting until fall. That's why right now, this week, is absolutely critical for your gardening success. Top 5 vegetables to plant in June. Now let's get down to business with your 5 June planting superstars. These heat-loving champions will give you the biggest bang for your buck. 1. Okra, the southern powerhouse. This isn't your grandma's slimy okra. Modern varieties like Clemson Spineless produce tender pods perfect for grilling. Plant seeds 1 inch deep in full sun and watch them rocket to 6 feet tall. Pro tip, harvest daily when pods reach 3 inches for best flavor. 2 bush beans, the reliable workhorse. Provider and contender varieties will have you picking beans in just 45 days. Space plants 4 inches apart in rich soil. They're so productive, you'll be begging neighbors to take some off your hands by midsummer. 3. Sweet potatoes, the underground gold mine. June is perfect for planting slips. Choose short-season varieties like Beauregard that mature in 90 days. Give them room to sprawl. Each plant needs about 3 square feet. Bonus, their vines make great ground cover. 4 cucumbers, the crisp crowd pleaser. Direct sow varieties like Straight 8, now for unbeatable freshness. Train them up trellises to save space and prevent disease. Keep soil consistently moist for perfectly crisp cukes all season long. 5 summer squash, the overachiever. Yellow crooknecks and black beauty zucchini are June must plants. Just 2 plants will keep your family in squash all summer. Watch them closely. Fruits can go from perfect to baseball bat size overnight. All these veggies love a 2-inch layer of mulch to keep roots cool and moist during summer heat waves. And remember, consistent watering is key to preventing bitter flavors and blossom end rot. Top 3 flowers to plant now. Time to paint your garden with color. These 3 superstar flowers will explode with blooms just weeks after planting, and they'll keep going strong until frost. 1. Zinnias, the pollinator magnet. These vibrant beauties are the ultimate low-maintenance flower. Scatter Benary's giant or queen lime seeds directly in the ground. They'll sprout in days and start blooming in about 6 weeks. The more you cut them, the more they flower. Bonus, butterflies and hummingbirds can't resist them. 2 marigolds, the garden bodyguards. French marigolds like Durango aren't just pretty, they're pest-fighting powerhouses. Plant them around your veggies to naturally repel nematodes and whiteflies. Their golden blooms will keep coming non-stop if you deadhead spent flowers. 3 sunflowers, the summer showstoppers. For instant drama, plant Autumn Beauty or Moulin Rouge varieties. These fast growers can shoot up 6 feet in just 60 days. Pro tip, plant a new batch every 2 weeks for continuous blooms all season. All 3 of these flowers make excellent cut flowers too. Just remember to water them deeply 2-3 times per week during peak summer heat to keep the blooms coming. Before you grab those seeds, here's a shocking truth most gardeners don't know. That beautiful mulch you just laid down, it could be starving your plants right now. June's heat changes everything. What worked in spring could be sabotaging your garden this very second. But here's the game changer. One simple tweak to your watering routine can double your harvest potential. I'll reveal exactly what to do after we cover the 3 biggest June planting mistakes, because what you don't know could cost you your entire summer harvest. This is crucial, don't click away. 3 common June planting mistakes. Don't let these June planting blunders ruin your garden. Here's what to avoid at all costs. 1. The temptation of spring leftovers. Those unused spring seed packets are calling your name. Resist them. Planting cool weather crops like broccoli, peas, or lettuce in June is a recipe for disaster. They'll either bolt immediately or produce bitter, stunted growth. Save them for your fall garden instead. 2. The overcrowding trap. June's rapid growth makes spacing more crucial than ever. That tiny zucchini start needs 3 square feet, not 3 inches. Crowded plants equals disease magnets plus pathetic harvests. Follow seed packet spacing religiously. 3. The set it and forget it watering myth. June's unpredictable rain doesn't mean you can skip watering. New plantings need deep drinks 3-4 times weekly to establish roots. Here's the secret. Water slowly at the base for 30+ minutes. Quick sprinkles just encourage weak surface roots. Ignoring mulch. A fresh 2-inch layer of straw or shredded leaves keeps soil temps stable and prevents 80% of weeds. But remember what I said earlier, keep it 3 inches away from stems to avoid rot. Fix these mistakes and your June planted garden will outperform spring plantings every time. Now listen carefully, because this next warning could save your entire garden. There's one popular plant that seems perfect for June planting, but it's actually a ticking time bomb for Zone 7 growers. It starts strong, lush leaves, rapid growth, then bam. By midsummer, it becomes a magnet for every garden pest while producing 0 harvest. The worst part? Once planted, you're stuck with this garden hog all season long. I'm revealing this plant in 30 seconds, but first, here's a bonus tip so valuable, professional growers pay big money to learn it. Don't touch that dial. Here's a game changer most gardeners miss. Plant fast-growing radishes between your slow crops like tomatoes. They'll be ready in just 25 days, marking your rows while improving soil structure. When you pull them, they leave perfect little nutrient-rich pockets for your main crop's roots to expand into. Double harvest from the same space. All right, green thumbs, time to put this knowledge to work. That mystery plant you should never grow in June? Drumroll, please. It's Brussels sprouts. They need cool weather to form those tasty sprouts, and summer heat turns them into pest-filled jungle plants with 0 harvest. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with 1, which June crop you're most excited to plant. 2, your biggest garden win this season. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got more Zone 7 secrets coming, including a July planting guide that'll blow your mind. Until then, happy gardening. Go get those hands dirty.